Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to restore your Trust Wallet account. First of all you have to do is open your Trust Wallet and make sure that you have a backup of your Trust Wallet phrases. Okay, so once you've done that, you have to open the Trust Wallet application, click on Get Started. From here, you have two options: create new wallet and add existing wallet. So if you have any existing wallet and you want to restore that wallet, all you have to do is click on Add Existing Wallet. From here, you have multiple options: secret phrase, Swift, Google Drive backup. So I have backed up my data on Google Drive, so I will select Google Drive. If you have secret phrase, you can select any of the options that you have. So I will select Google account. From here, I will see my wallet. On this section, I will choose my wallet. If you have multiple wallets, you can choose any of them. And after that, it will ask you for the password. My screen is black because Trust Wallet doesn't allow showing the password. I will enter the password and click on Restore Wallet. And after that, I have successfully restored my Trust Wallet account. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and also don't forget to subscribe.